In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Zotero email notifications. Whether you use Zotero for academic work, research, or personal projects, you know how helpful it can be for managing your references and research materials. However, sometimes the email notifications it sends can become a bit overwhelming. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through the simple process of turning off those notifications so you can focus more on your projects without unnecessary interruptions. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open up your favorite web browser. Navigate to Zotero's main website by typing zotero.org into your address bar, then hit enter. Once the homepage loads, you'll want to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and access your account. Now that you've logged in, let's head over to your account settings where you can manage notifications. Locate your profile icon, which is also at the top right corner of the page, usually represented by your display picture or initials. Click on it, and in the drop-down menu that appears, select the settings option to continue. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the email tab. Depending on which version of Zotero you're using, this may also be labeled as notifications. Click on it to proceed. This section is where you'll have a list of all the different types of email notifications you might receive. It's designed to keep you informed about activities in your account, but here's where you can customize what you receive. You'll see several different boxes, each corresponding to a specific type of notification. For instance, there might be options like a new post in group discussion, someone invites me to a group, or someone applies to a group I own. Simply go through these and uncheck the boxes for the types of emails you don't want to receive. This will ensure that you get only the most relevant information, as opposed to everything. After you've gone through and unchecked the boxes for notifications you'd like to disable, don't forget the crucial last step, which is to click the Save button. This is often located at the bottom of the page. Clicking Save will apply your changes, ensuring that your preferences are updated and your inbox will soon reflect your newly customized settings. And that's it! You've successfully disabled those pesky email notifications on Zotero. I hope this walkthrough was helpful, and now you're all set to enjoy a less cluttered inbox and more focused research time. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day!